most likely to get scammed by an online shopping ad?
What? I didn't get scammed.
I also never got scammed.
हाँ, so we both were.
But the thing
You
is,
know,
most
you got
likely
a
to.
scam call in front of me.
Yeah, that was the first scam call that I got saying कि बेटा आपके पापा ने मुझे 20,000 रुपए दिए थे तो मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ and I was like okay sure पैसे आ रहे हैं मेरे अकाउंट में.
इसने पता है ऐसे मेरे घर पे दिए
हाँ.
और इसने कुछ कर रही थी and then she put it on speaker and I'm also listening to this conversation. Wait, I'm like, Ritu, you're getting scammed, Ritu, you're getting scammed.
And we both
So
got
funny.
excited. And he was
Yeah,
like,
we
बेटा
were
मैंने
happy.
आपको गलती से 12,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा भेज दिए, आप मुझे भेज दो.
हाँ.
And we were both like, कि क्या हो रहा है? So it took us some time to figure out कि क्या हो रहा है. But eventually it was just a text message. I never got money in my account and everything. So then I was like, let's go first scam call, and then we congratulated each other. So कि, wow, I was so happy to be there to witness this with you.
Wow. Okay. Who's most likely to cancel plans last minute?
Both of us.
And what's like your go-to excuse?
Her excuse is meeting आ गया, gym जाना है, बीमार पड़ गई. And
हाँ.
my excuse is I stay in Thane.
Actually, that is an excuse.
Come on,
valid है वो.
that's just a statement. I stay in Thane, dude. I have gotten out of auditions like that. I mean, not like that. Not like that. Can I please complete? I meant कि मैं परसों आ रही हूँ अंधेरी तो मैं तब आ जाऊँ ऑडिशन के लिए. And then like मैम तब तो पॉसिबल. मैंने कहा यार मैं थाने में रहती हूँ. ठीक है मैम हम फिगर आउट कर लेंगे.
Okay, who's most likely to laugh in serious situations?
Both of us.
Both of us. We love it.
Most likely to get back with an ex? ये तो I also know.
I think every person who knows Ehsas, even as a person, like a human being, knows that.
Like I
This
don't.
is something that she would do.
Yeah.
Dumb moves.
Okay, feel guilty for saying no to plans.
Both
Who's
of us.
most
Both
likely
of
to?
us.
Really?
Both of us are pathological people pleasers. Both of us. So,
Yeah, fair.
Who's most likely to get a tattoo of their partner's name?
Tell me honestly, have you gotten one?
not yet.
But would you?
After marriage, yes, I will.
Okay.
तब तो पता चल जाएगा ना कि यही है.
Okay, ठीक है. Most likely to borrow an outfit and never return.
You.
Which one I
You
have
took
to?
my heels and you've lost it.
Oh, yeah.
She's lost my heels.
Yeah, and we're not even the same size.
Yeah.
3 size बड़ी heel पहन के वो उस event पे घूम रही थी.
हाँ, और मैं तेरे heels पहनी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा आउटफिट के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा. करके हमने स्विच कर लिया.
Okay, who's most likely to go viral because of something scandalous?
Really? You're asking that question? You should know. Thanks
Yes.
to you.
But I don't believe that's the most scandalous thing you said, Ehsas. उससे भी ज़्यादा हुआ होगा, I'm sure.
On camera, I think that's the
No.
Really?
There is one very scandalous thing. I don't think we can say it on this.
Okay, we will never know. Have you said something and regretted, Ehsas? Like something that you can share with us?
I've said something and no, not yet.
Nahin?
Not yet. Not on camera.
Okay.
In life, yes. A lot.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, who's most likely to become a meme?
चलती फिरती मीम है ये.
मैं से बात करती हूँ मैं.
Achha, do you guys send memes to each other?
Yes, that's
I'll
Love
show you
language,
our
no?
Instagram and
Yeah.
the conversations are memes. Memes. We barely speak to each other.
yeah. WhatsApp is where we do conversations.
Though sometimes there also we
Sometimes there also we're just like yeah,
in
bro.
stickers we talk.
Yeah, stickers are disgusting by the way.
Mine, na?
Both of us.
All right, now tell me something. Tell me that one time when you think this is for both of you, when you think that she really showed up for you in a way that nobody did.
You know, I'll tell you what, there's no one moment like that. Like, because she, like for me, she's my go-to person for everything. So I know that anything happens, she's the first person to know. She's the first person I'll call. Even if it's a fun thing or a good news or a bad news or something difficult, I will always go and tell her that. So I remember the first one time she did not show up for me.
I couldn't get because she called me at 12:45 and she had 3 people around her. तो मैंने कहा कि जरूरत है क्या? तो मैं थाने में रहती हूँ. Yeah, that's where I played the card.
थाने.
So I asked that person. मैंने कहा आना जरूर. कहता है नहीं. Please do not come. It's just stupid. She's stupid. Do not listen to it.
I did something stupid.
Yeah, she did something stupid.
And I
So
was panicking.
unnecessarily. But yeah, there are multiple
But
times where
she's always there for me.
there was one
Bola.
time when I really needed her at 3 a.m. So then I was like, listen, I need to come to your place right now. And she was like, okay, come, whatever, come. And she was there and I stayed with her and then everything was fine then.
Yeah.
So she's actually my 3 a.m. person. Like I can call her any time of the day, but nowadays she started putting her phone on DND mode, so I'm a little worried for my life.
Sorry, मैं नहीं डालूंगी अभी.
Please मत डाल, मुझे या फिर bypass पे डाल दे.
है bypass.
हाँ तो ठीक है.
अच्छा, now I want to talk a little about girlhood because the show का नाम है The Good Girls Show. तो मुझे बताओ individually आप दोनों को कभी भी like have you ever felt or heard from somebody or have you ever felt that you know you are required to be a good girl and what have you understood of that?
It's always been indirectly, or it's been, I've heard it behind my back. I was an actor when I was in school, so I was under this impression, like people had this perception about me that arey, she's an actress, maybe she's not, you know, she's not a good girl, she's a bad girl because she's an actress, and she's a child actor, so uske upar se she's from the industry. So like some teachers used to I remember मेरी best friend तब मेरी school में, तब मेरी टीचर ने आके उसको कहा था कि इससे दूर रहो, ये अच्छी लड़की नहीं है क्योंकि ये एक्टर है. तो इट एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. Then it went up to then the personality that I have. I'm a very outgoing, loud नहीं कह सकते, मतलब outgoing, jolly person, and I have lots of male friends. So you know कि अरे इसके तो इतने लड़के दोस्त हैं, तो you know she's तो you know all sorts of slurs are used. So ये सारी चीजें हैं ना, तो वो कि इतने like I've had people come and tell me कि ना लड़कों को ऐसे मत हग किया कर, chest to chest मत hug कर, always give them a side hug. I've always heard this from people, and not my like family members or anything, like random idiots have come and told me, how can you like do chest to chest hugs with people, boys? I'm like, what? Like this doesn't make any sense. Do a side hug or like shake hands. You know, ki why do you abuse? You're a girl, you shouldn't abuse. Like girls don't abuse.
Yeah, of course.
Those things. So these things I've heard a lot.
Revati, what about you?
Initially like be a good girl तो मैंने काफी बार ही सुना है, मतलब वो तो like मम्मी कहती है वो तो फर्क होता है. But there was this one time where I was riding my cycle in my society and this one uncle came to me and I was wearing a halter-neck top, sleeveless top था. So then this random ass uncle came to me and he's like, listen, you should not wear clothes like this. अच्छे घर की लड़कियां ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनती है. तो मेरा ये था कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे ये कपड़े दिए, मैं कुछ अगर मम्मी को दिक्कत नहीं तो आप कौन होते. बट तब तो like I'm also in the second, third standard when he made this statement, so I was really upset. So I went back home and I started crying and I was like, Mama, this happened. And then she's like, no, that's not how it works. If you want to wear something, you should wear. ऐसे नहीं कि किसी ने आके बोलते तो तुम रोते रोते घर पे आओ. Even when I used to go to my native place, when I was young, तो तब sleeveless हम मतलब मम्मी कहती थी कि मत पहना करो because maybe they will not like it. So there was also this one time where I wore a sleeveless top to my native place and this other दूसरी घर की auntie has stared me from my head to my toe like at least 10 times. And then again, male friends. My mom has never had an issue with the amount of guy friends I've had in school, in college. Even today, I have more guy friends than girlfriends.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.